welcome, and let me tell you about the Midnight Muse. The Muse emerges from the canvas, at first just as an energy, just a few loose brushstrokes to reveal her essence. Standing in the shadows is the inner critic, her old friend. The inner critic has often pushed the Muse aside and out of the way. The inner critic has often run the show. The inner critic thinks it knows everything and knows all the answers. But the Muse doesn't operate by logic. She is guided by the stars and moon of the cosmos. She is guided by the invisible, only seen in the dark of night or in the light of a creative heart. Creativity is contagious, so I hope you will find inspiration on my channel and discover ways that art can help you and make your life more beautiful. I'd love for you to join my channel by subscribing, and remember to tap the bell for notifications of future videos. Here's what the Midnight Muse tells me. I come from the glowing blue unknown, beckoning me. I come from the magical, magnificent source of creation, which lives in my heart forever. I come from you. I come from your dreams of yesteryear and your dreams for the future. I come from the unknown, fertile and true. I come from reflections of you deep within. I come from dreams spun with golden thread to create a web of knowingness. I come from the knowing of soul as a spark of the divine cosmos. I come from the sun and air you breathe. I come from the unknown, deep within. I come from the ocean of love and mercy. I come from footsteps heard across the universe. I come from the hands cupping the color of paint dripping between your fingers. This painting is inspired by the great artist Shiloh Sophia, of which I am taking a painting online workshop with her. The link is down below in the description box. I would also like to invite you to please share in the comments your experiences with the Muse and inner critic. Right here I'm showing my magnifying glass because I am a legally blind artist, and I wanted to use this as a symbol in my painting of my Midnight Muse. So I'm showing you my magnifying glass that I have to use every day for reading everything that's up close. And I wanted definitely to add that as a symbol in my painting. And this is a painting of my Midnight Muse. It's not finished. This is a work in progress, and this is maybe early to midway through the process. And so this will be part one of this video of this work in progress as I continue on my journey of discovering my Midnight Muse and learning more about the inner critic. For me, the inner critic has been running the show much too often. And in this workshop has been invaluable for learning how to deal with the inner critic and actually witnessing the dance between the inner critic and the Muse. So again, I'd like to invite you to please share down in the comments your experiences with the Muse and inner critic. And that's the symbol that's the symbol the Muse gave me. The heart it's going to be spattered with paint colors and a paintbrush. That was the first symbol that she gave me for the painting, that my Muse gave me for this painting. That's the first symbol. Other symbols will be added, but this is early on in the painting. I hope you enjoyed my poetry today. Again, it was inspired by the great artist Shiloh Sophia. She's an artist / poet, and many other things too, / teacher. And please watch for part 2 next week.